guys, today I'm gonna be playing Animal Crossing Pocket Camp. It's the old, like my friend says, it's the old version. It's the old version of, it's the old version of, the New Horizon one. So playing on a mobile, and I've been playing for like 2 days in a month, and I have lots of money. If you can see it there, I have so much bells. And let's talk to Goldie. And to what do I owe you this pleasure? I have so much stuff, so I guess you can have this. I must be the luckiest girl in the world. This morning I spent it like 4,000 bells. He's right in front of. He's sinking to that. Right, it's 100 bells in that. So I really like it. And if you guys want to friend request me, I'll put my ID in my Animal Crossing Pocket Camp ID in the description. So let's go check out some goals I need to do. Oh my gosh, I always accidentally press this. And now my screen is loading. Oh, and also they have a new update. It is about the I think I just call them what's it called? I just call them cactuses, because they kind of look like cactuses to me. So yeah, I'm gonna be going around the camps. I'm going around new places, going to make new friends and stuff. Me, my friend, and my sister have this app, so let's go somewhere. Where should we go? I'm gonna use it. We're going to get $13,000 because I went here a couple minutes ago and I got $13,000. And I was like, oh my gosh. So you guys should get this app. It is, and here you go. And just pretend nothing's here, then you go like that. And now you need to find material. You have to do the rocks, these things. Silver, gold finally. And now you're finished. Got 13,000 bells. And to receive it, you have to go to your mailbox. But first you have to wait for this thing to load. I just keep doing this sometimes. And sometimes I'm gonna put on a TV show. Megan plays Charlie D'Amelio. And I know some people don't like them, but we all have a different opinion. So you have to go to your mailbox and press collect. And so I just did that. Boom. Now I just completed a goal. I just go through all of my ones to press accept. And something I just realized is what's it called? Is about She kind of looks like a bow. And I don't know what these fans are for, because I have a lot of them. Now let's go to the mailbox. I do not mean go to go here. Let's get out here. Let's go back there. I'm wasting all of my leaf tokens. Okay, here you go. We're back. We shoveled everything now. Let's go. And wow, okay, let's now here. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna get. I knew it. I wanted at least one. 10,000 this time. Okay, here you go. So yeah, we're here. Let's see, what do I have? Oh, my mailbox. Let's go. 1,000. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna see my first ever what's it called thing I got. So it was probably yesterday, and it'll go up here. 20 leaf tokens. I have 100 of these things. Dang. There you go. So I just got some of things. But I just got a lot of things. Just getting everything I need. And so yeah, as you can see, I'm just doing something. So I just finished. It's been okay. Let me just go get everything I need. My sister, we're doing a challenge. We can get the most dollars. This is my friend that told me about the game. That's her. Then here's my sister. She's not selling anything. So that's my sister. I'm gonna get dressed, so you're gonna watch me. Let's see what I would wear. So let's go. There we go. There we go. That looks better. Oh yeah, so this is my outfit here. Let's go back. Let's go and go change myself. Okay, so now we're just waiting for this to load. And as I say, I like to do this while it loads, and then sometimes it's stuff like that. So let's see. I don't like to prepare. There we go. So yeah, my sister's kind of new, even though she had it before me. It was just something stuck, and you have to have lots of storage. So yeah, you have to have lots of storage to play this game. But you know, I got a bunch of storage. 'Cause I don't got much games. Yeah, you don't know. You don't know. Let's take a little picture. Well, here it is. Well, before we end the video, we're gonna go somewhere and go check around. Let's go here. We'll end it here, mining. We'll end it in my cabin, so let's go to my cabin. End it kind of decorating my cabin. My sister just got out of her Zoom, but I'm gonna end up in my cabin.
Hey, don't tell Annie to talk.
And I'm just gonna end the video in my camper. And then here it is. I'm gonna decorate it. So let's go here. Well, while I'm editing the video, I'm gonna be editing. So we're gonna start with, thank you guys for watching today's video. Thank you guys for watching today's video. As you can see, I'm gonna do another video. But first, I need to charge my tablets. But right now, I'm just placing some stuff. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Love y'all so much. And I want to say peace. See you guys next time. Bye.